Hello everybody, my name is Aiden Hill and I'm the founder and CEO of HSW Sim Works and HSW TV. I'd like to come at you with our first video with kind of some pretty good news, I would think, in our aspect, On September 5th through the 7th of 2025 this year, we will be at the first annual Sim Gaming Expo event ever. What? Yes, and we will have our own booth. And we're actually going to be stationed in booth 323, I believe it is, 323. If you go from the entrance, you go back, we're on the left-hand side at the corner to the eSports arena. You can't miss us. You won't be able to miss us. There's going to be a flag showing the S1. The world's smallest button box, hello. If you're wondering where this event's going to be, it's going to be in Chicago, specifically here. If you'd like to get tickets to go, I will put a link to the website in the description below to where you can get, a ticket for either a day, 2 days, or the whole event. There's going to be some pretty big names attending, such as GSI, Hoisingfeld, Simicube, and plenty others. If you have seen the S1 and you're not sure about if you actually want to buy it or something because, it seems stupid or whatever to you, whatever, but there's actually going to be a sim rig inside of the esports arena with the S1 installed on it, plugged in and everything, so that you can test it if you would like before you buy it. And at this event, we are hopefully, depending on the time and the resources, going to announce the brand new HSW-APEX R1 steering wheel. In my opinion, this is going to be a pretty big wheel for the sim industry. It's giving you a lot that's demanded of very specific cars. So, depending on if the event's live streamed, I think you should stick around, maybe watch the event, maybe go to the event, come say hi. If you don't want to buy an S1 or pre-order the Apex, by all means, we have merch. We're going to have so much merch. I think we're going to have plenty of hats, shirts, and sweaters to make an igloo. I'm going to be honest. During the whole event, if you choose to buy an HSW S1 or pre-order the HSW APEX R1, they're going to be 25% off the entire event. So make sure to go follow us on our Instagram, go follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel, go follow the Sim Gaming Expo Instagram, and make sure to go check out their website to see the other vendors other than us. And potentially you may find a brand that you like, and hey, you find a component you like, you find a product you like, you never know. So I hope to see you all there. Again, we will be at booth 323. This is the address and the event center. We hope to see you all there. Stop by and say hi to us. It'll be me, the CMO, my mother, Darlene, and the CDO, my girlfriend, Gabrielle. All of us will be stationed at the booth. But stick around, subscribe to this channel for one, broadcasts, because we are going to be broadcasting league races under HSW TV on iRacing and potentially Assetto Corsa. And we're going to be posting reviews, posting products, showing off products, how-tos, how to not get dumped in an iRacing race, stuff like that. But seriously, stick around, go follow us on Instagram because we'll be updating about the SGE event. Now that's all said, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.